How to send GIFs on Snapchat from camera roll. So if you want to send GIFs on Snapchat from camera roll, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Snapchat application. After opening, you can take a snap and you can go with the files icon, which is on the top right. Now under your files, you will have the stickers, right? You can just simply choose the stickers or GIFs, and here photos, you will have the photos option on the top right. You can just simply tap on the camera roll or the photos section and it will take you to the camera roll or memories. You can just simply tap on any image or a video and just enlarge it, and after that go with send to, which is on the bottom right, which will send that video as a GIF. Or the other option is go back, go with your chat. Under chat, select a person's chat, and here on the bottom you will have the emoji or the GIF option. You can just simply go with the bottom right, and from here you need to go with GIF, which is on the bottom, and choose any GIF that you're comfortable with and send it. But we don't have the option to send GIFs on Snapchat from camera roll. To send it from your camera roll, you can go with the images, which is on the right side, and from here you can select your GIF and send it on the chat. That's how you can send GIFs on Snapchat from camera roll. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.